Alright, hey there, this is Jake, and I want to do something cool today. So I want to take these stock Civic headlights and smoke them out in a smoked out color. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to thoroughly clean the headlights with isopropyl alcohol, and that'll make sure you have a good adhesion bond on the surface. Otherwise you could get delamination and that sort of thing. So here I am trying to figure out the right placement to get like a consistent wrap over the whole thing. And as I found out later, this is probably not the best way to wrap it. So once you get it laid down nice and flat on one side, you can start to use the heat gun to start to stretch it over onto the other sides. And as you can see here, I kind of missed on the lower corner and it's not fully going over that, so that kind of came back to bite me later, but we'll get into that on the next side. So this is just me kind of heating over it and stretching. Alright, I want to show you a few things I learned. So I showed you the time lapse of kind of putting on the first parts of this. I kind of got it over here nice. I came over here nice. But what I found was the third kind of angle here, so you have like these three angles, was tricky. So what I ended up having was a lot of bunching up down here. And so what I ended up doing is just cutting straight across and putting a piece, which, you know, isn't the worst, but I felt like I could have done better. So what I learned for the second side is that you want to stick it here, right? So like stretch it over here, and then use that tack, then heat this part up with the heat gun, and then you want to get it, because this material stretches pretty good, so you can get a nice conformance. So you stretch this part, and you can see that I still have some issues here with that coming up, but I think, you know, cutting little slits has been able to relieve that. This isn't the cleanest, but this is the hardest part to see, the stuff in here. So overall, you know, much better on this side. The other thing I found was when I did this one, I stretched it over here and I stretched it and it looked all nice. The problem I had was coming over this corner right here. I got a lot of bunching, and I think it's because I left it on the car and I didn't get a good stretch over it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one off the car and I'm gonna stretch it over and around so you get a nice even cut here without all the bumps, which I think this looks kind of janky. Alright, so the final reveal. I think it came out pretty good. Do a little walk around. I got the lights on so you can see that, you know, the lights come through pretty good. And I also blacked out the little side shinies there, because frankly they didn't look that good. But I think this looks great. Yeah, so overall I would say, was it worth it? Yeah, definitely. I think thinking about it, you know, for $10, it looks better than a $10 job. I think, you know, if I do it a couple more times, it will look way better. Yeah, so overall I would say that job was, I would give it a 6 head scratches out of 10, because it's definitely something that needs perfection over time, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna make another video next time I do it and show you what I learned and how you can do it better. But like I said, I mean, I think it's an excellent project for somebody that's willing to do that themselves. So if you found that helpful, drop a like, subscribe, because I want to make more videos like this and you'll be the first to know if you subscribe. So see you on the next one.